right, let's do the forearm release, okay? So I'm gonna go down first and then come up, okay? Because ultimately we want things to come towards the heart for circulation purposes. So when we do this, it could kind of sometimes push blood towards your fingers, and you don't want to end up with swelling and pooling in the hands, but it also does really strip down the muscles and release fascia at the same time. So we're going to start with going down and then come back up. So the same as we did with the upper arm. So if our hand is facing this way, we're going to twist the hand one way when we twist the other hand, right? So the top hand, my left hand, is twisting medially towards the center of the body, where my right hand is twisting out, okay? Breathing through the nose. Okay, now we have it that way, we're going to twist the other way. So the left hand is going to twist laterally outwards, right? Where the right hand is now twisting in. Breathe through the nose. Okay, right? So we went down one way and then up the other way, right? So you can do that in the opposite direction too. So if we grab on the top with the hand twisting, the right hand is twisting inward, whereas the left hand is twisting outward. Breathing through the nose. Bringing that back up. Let's do the other hand. So if our hand is facing outward and the right hand is now twisting inwards, we're twisting in opposite directions, right? Breathing through the nose. Now coming back up. So it doesn't matter which way you turn first, but if you're going to go down first, we're going to come up last, right? We always want to end with coming up, right? Up, pulling on that glove, putting on the glove, bringing it back up towards the heart, all the way up, and there you go.